Now in this segment, we are going to talk about the components and devices that make up the virtual reality system, which I'm going to show you all the components that make up the virtual reality system that you can use to start designing your own virtual reality content. So we're going to start with the very first one, which is your laptop. You need a minimum of Core i5 laptop with 8 GB RAM, which if you want to see how to check your system requirements, all you need is just right click on my computer and go to properties, and you will see your system requirements. Minimum of Core i5 laptop with 8 GB RAM, at least 200 to 300 gigabytes of hard disk. But over time, once you start working on the virtual, you come to realize that you need a faster processing system like Core i7 8 GB RAM or Core i7 16 GB RAM with 1 terabyte of hard disk to make your workflow to be very easy and smooth and faster. Now the second thing you need as a virtual reality content creator is virtual reality headset, which I'm actually using Oculus to make my own virtual reality images and videos, which is this headset. The owner of Oculus is Mark Zuckerberg, who owns Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp. He also bought Oculus as one of his companies. So I'm using Oculus, which is the virtual reality headset that I'm using to create my own virtual reality images and video. But I'll show you how to connect all these devices later in this video. So this is the second thing you need as a virtual reality content creator. Now the next thing you need to be a virtual reality content creator is 360-degree camera. This 360-degree camera has two cameras, as you can see. There's a lens here and there's also another lens here, and this one records 180 degree and this records in 180 degree. Then if you merge the two of them, it will become 360 degree images, which I'm going to show you how to record and how to connect these devices together and how to make videos in 360 degree and also virtual reality system. So this is the third device that you need as a virtual reality content creator, and you can use this for any purpose. You can use it to do wedding, you can use it to do comedy videos, you can use it to do virtually any kind of video that we do on a normal daily basis. You can use the 360-degree camera to do the same video. But the good thing about this camera is it records all the environments in real time. This gets in 180 degree and this gets in 180 degree. And when you put the two files together, it will become 360 degree, which I will take you through in this particular online training. Now, for you to be able to use this 360 degree camera efficiently, it's not like a normal camera. So because it's not like a normal camera, you need a stand, which is this kind of stand, which most people use for their phones. You need this kind of stand. Then you need something to hold this stand so that it won't have to fall down when you mount this camera on top of it. And you can stretch this up depending on what you're recording and where you are recording. Or you can as well use this particular stand, which I normally use when I'm recording an event or any kind of video outdoors. This one can hold this particular stand very well once you can be able to fix it. Once you fix it very firmly, it gets so tight on this, then the camera will be here. You can raise it up, you can raise it down, depending on where you're recording. So I'm going to show you how to mount this camera on the ground so that it can stay very well, so that you can record any kind of video that you want, in case if you want to do an outdoor videos. Now the very first thing we're going to do is pull this, because this can be extended. Once I pull this, I put this on the ground. Once I put it on the ground, I pull the camera up and it stays firmly on the ground. Now you can be able to record your videos, and when you're recording your videos, it records all the environments in 180 and 180 degree, the same way I told you earlier. So these are all the devices that you need to start recording your own virtual reality images and videos. But there are so many other 360 degree camera in the market, which you can as well get, which serves the same purpose. These are different kinds of 360-degree camera, which any of them can still record in 360-degree, and they all come with their softwares and can also be connected to your phone, whether Samsung or any Android phone. This is the camera I'm using to teach in this my online class, and this one is the newer model, which you can use to go live in case if you want to buy 360-degree camera and you want to start going live. I will advise you to go for this one and not the one I'm using to teach in this online class. But all of them are the same, but the only difference is that this one can go live, but the one I'm using to teach cannot be able to go live. And they all record in 4K and also 8K video format. But I would not advise anybody to get this particular one because this one does not record live events. You can only shoot images and video and later edit it in the system and post in your YouTube, Facebook, website, or any other social media platform. And this one is not expensive. Now, if you want to buy your device, you can go to Amazon.com. When you get to Amazon, you can search for Samsung Gear 360 camera and click enter. Okay, here are the cameras. So click only Samsung brand. See, this camera is $199. $199 is like 70,000 naira. $139 cheaper. This one is $89. This one is $159, $129, and all that. This one is $139. These are headsets also. This headset is $79, $100. So everything you're going to buy is less than 100,000. Everything you're going to buy is like $300 or 100,000 naira. So this is where you can get your device. You can also search in any other site and get your own 360-degree camera and also VR headset. It depends on the VR headset that you want to get. If you want to get a bigger one like Rift or Quest, let's check for Rift, Oculus Rift. Rift is sold for $399. This headset, you connect it to a system. So I don't know, I will not advise anybody to buy a headset that you can connect to a system. This is Oculus Rift. This is Quest. This Quest, you don't need to connect it to system. This is Quest, the latest headset. So if you type Oculus Quest, which is the latest headset, to bring out Quest for you. Quest is more expensive. See, Quest is $499, $399, This is Quest. This is Rift. This is Oculus Go. This one does not support phone. Rift does not support phone also. You can connect it to the system. This one does not support phone or even laptop or system. This one is straight. And this one does not support laptop or even phone. This one is pure headset. You can access your Facebook, YouTube, and every other thing, your files through the headset directly. So we are going to go over to the next video. Let me show you how to connect all these devices, how you can connect this device to take images and also video, and how you can also edit and every other thing you can also do in the virtual reality system.